Hi, my name is Ben.
And my name is Isabel, and we're freshmen at Rice University.
We are on the first timers track, and our project is Taskly, a social media platform where users can share their to-do lists with fellow users, helping people stay on task.
Friends can send encouraging messages and hype their buddies up by liking their tasks. Watching your friends accomplish their tasks help motivate you too. So let's see how it works. First, I'm going to log in. And it says that today is Saturday, September 24th. Let's hit the ground running. So I finished my Comp 140 stock market prediction homework, and I'm going to check that off of my to-do list. Next, I finished writing my FWIS essay, and I'm going to check that off my to-do list as well. So if I click the add task button, I can add tasks to my to-do list. And there's also a comment section where my friends can write encouraging comments to hype me up. Next, I'm going to click on the socials feed where I can see what my friends are up to. It seems like Isabel completed her chem homework number 5, so I'm going to like that task. And then she also completed her math web assignment. I'm going to like that too. I see that Ben commented, "Hit me up when you're at the Olympics," and Rithika said, "Do your laundry, I can smell it from Mert." Lastly, on the profiles page, you can see how many friends you have and how long you've been a user. So Ben has been a user since September 9th, 2022. You can also see past to-do lists, such as one from yesterday, Friday, September 23rd, and the tasks that you accomplished that day. I can also see the comments that my friends made on that day. So this helps because you can see your progress.
Yes, and now I'm going to show you guys a little bit about the technical development of our project. So you're looking at now is Adobe XD, what we use to prototype Taskly. So in order to show the UI and the UX of Taskly, we created a series of animations using the buttons and linking our different screens together to show all the functionality that we want to show. For example, being able to check off tasks, as well as being able to like other people's tasks. And then once we had created all of the UI and UX for Taskly, then we just decided to move on to implementing those features in Android Studio. So now I'm going to take you guys over there. And some things you'll notice right off the bat is that we did steal a couple of the same elements from our prototype, exporting those from Adobe XD. And we also use edit text objects for our login field. We use image view for our icons, and we use image buttons to have our login button and our sign up button straight out of our prototype.
So without experience in Android Studio, it was difficult to execute our prototype design as envisioned. Even after attending the Intro to Android app development workshop, watching Android Studio YouTube tutorials, and speaking with experienced front-end developers. Our lack of familiarity with Android Studio slowed us down considerably, but we were still able to implement some features from our prototype into an Android app. If given more time, we would have liked to create a local storage system in Android Studio capable of holding user and to-do list data.
With that being said, we do have some accomplishments that we're really proud of, one of which is creating a UI and UX that well encapsulates our vision for Taskly. The second one is that we learned a lot about how to use Android Studio as well as Adobe XD. And the third is that we came up with a neat idea that we find cool, which was really fun.
Yeah. We've learned how to navigate Android Studio and create a basic app consisting of a variety of object types, a toolkit that will serve as a foundation for creating future mobile development projects as well.
And what's up next for Taskly is implementing the rest of our prototype's features in Android Studio. And we're also really hoping to be able to link our app with a cloud-based backend so that users from different devices can utilize the platform as intended. And that's Taskly.
Yeah, thank you so much for listening, and we hope you have a great day.